What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Clouded Minds. I'm Ty Lord, and today, guys, we are back doing some Species Unknown with a bunch of couple legends here. We got freaking 2 swallows and Jamie. We're now in it to win it. Good evening.
We're just waiting for you.
All right, where do I?
You
Do I
just
go
come
out the door?
Yeah.
Oh. That didn't sound weird at all.
This is a private moment.
Oh gosh, I just saw him like come straight up from underneath. Okay. Ooh,
Alright, guys. Welcome to SSA's Swallows in Space. This is my ship or station.
I wouldn't stand next to this window. That's where he fucks me.
Can I fall out the window? Look, it's Earth.
Unfortunately.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's really gorgeous. I love this game. It looks so amazing.
Wow, the space view. Wow, even the ship. Look at this. They really did a lot of detail.
Oh yeah. If you I don't know if you did any of your character design, but there's like a little menu where you can do stuff like that.
That's really awesome. Mission rooms, specimen area.
I can give you a little tour. So this is basically where we are right now. Is basically just where you spawn. It's like a little recreative area where you sleep and stuff. But if you follow me, I can show you some more fun stuff.
Oh, where's Jamie? Where's
Probably
the sex pest? Where did he go?
Hey.
Oh,
Yeah.
there he is.
Okay. So first of all, I'll show you the specimen area because I haven't unlocked anything else. This is basically starting from scratch, other than my personal thing. But down here, we get specimen area where we can, once you get enough money, you can get like a little cage where you can capture the creatures and get money for them.
Nice.
And down here, you can store them in these cells.
It's like a zoo.
Yes.
Dude, we could have a zoo in the basement. It's literally a zoo in the basement.
One of the coolest things is if you go to the way back of the spaceship, not this one, the one in the missions, you can turn on the engines to max and it'll fly towards a planet, and then you get 2 minutes to get off the ship or die.
Oh my gosh. Okay. That sounds like intense fun.
Oh yeah, me, Scatty, and the others, we did that in that one, or at least I did it, and then suddenly I just realized, oh shit, I better run.
So much for being here. Appreciate every single one of your eye holes.
Everyone there is single.
Yes, everyone single. We appreciate all of you in the chat. Now get over here as I kiss your eye holes.
Right,
Oh
guys.
gosh, somebody's trying to get me in the corner over here.
Oh no.
That was me.
Get away from me.
Right.
No?
You guys ready for a mission?
Ready? We were ready. Born ready.
This is where we'll pick our missions. So we have these. We have a few to pick between. Oh, we can pick between extract some data, which is the easiest. Some of the easiest ones. You just go in, get a black box, and then you leave with the black box.
Okay, let's start
There's
with
also-
something easier first before we go crazy.
That
with
is
it.
the easiest one.
Yeah. Let's just pick an easy one to start.
All right.
We'll start off easy to get an idea of what it's like.
All right. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so
Take
this
a
is
seat in the shuttle.
this is what I'd call the tutorial one because it's the easiest one.
This way, Jeeves. To the shuttle.
And this is our ship.
Ooh, look at that beauty. I feel like I'm in
We can
Star
also
Wars.
change the color and stuff of it if we get enough money for it. But
Quickly, the Empire's coming. Onto the ship. Where's Chewbacca?
He's coming there.
Can't-
Or at least that. Oh wait, no, that's what are those smaller ones called?
Ewok.
Ewok. Yeah, we have an
See.
Ewok with us instead of a Chewbacca.
There's only 4 seats.
Yeah, you sound perfectly fine. Yeah, there's 4 seats
Awesome.
for 4 people. Now
take
look at this loading screen.
Oh my gosh, this is so
Wait,
cool.
this is the loading screen?
Yeah, this is the loading screen.
Oh my god,
What?
this game is fantastic.
What the? Oh, I thought for sure we were about to smack that. Oh my gosh, this is so epic. We're going through the space hole. Everyone hold on.
Look, yes.
We're in the vortex.
But when I get
Holy crap, this is so epic. Like, how fucking epic is this?
That's
Like,
was my exact reaction when I played it first time.
Oh my
Even on
gosh.
medium.
Awesome.
The shading, the space, the ship, the details in all
Even
of the
on
little
medium
things.
settings, it looks sexier. So I could only imagine what you two are seeing.
Yeah, Jamie always got a potato piece. It's always Jamie. We still love him though. We love his
Now,
holes.
if you guys look on the little screen before you exit it,
Oh,
you'll
too
see
late.
the. Well, you can sit down again.
Don't kill the
You can see
specimen.
that there is goals, as in, the first one is literally don't kill the specimen.
You hear that, Jamie? Don't try to take it into a corner and do weird things to it.
Right, look.
Yeah, we gotta reach the command deck, restart the power, locate the black box, get the black box, and return the black box to the shuttle. If we kill the specimen, hurt each other, or anything like that, we
fail.
well, if you shoot each other, you get
Love
a
is
payment fine. So they dock your pay.
I was under the assumption I was free labor.
You are.
Reach the
That's why we get a
free
deal pay.
labor. You are. I love that he just didn't even hesitate on that one. You are the slave of the crew. Now
Yeah.
get your ass in there.
Get in the corner and do your thing.
Yeah, pull your pants down and get in the corner.
Where did Cloud go?
Wait,
was
but-
still staring at the screen. My bad.
Ah, okay. So if you come this way here,
Oh, hello.
yeah, we exit over here. The first part. Why don't you pull the lever?
Pull the lever, crank. Oh man, I got a really bad feeling about this, guys. Are you sure we should be here?
I'm scared. Let me back.
All right. So we got some bodies and stuff.
Oh wow.
Oh, by the way, when we're speaking in the game, the monster can't hear us. So if it's near you, be quiet.
Okay. Jamie, I see that
You know me.
you're,
I can't shut up.
Is this where you were last time when you and two were together? Hmm? Is this the evidence left over here on the floor?
No, I was fucked by a monster.
No,
yeah,
this
so
was
a little too
unfortunately just
graphic.
me alone. Okay, so if you come look here at the corpse, you can see that she's missing her face.
How do you have a gun?
That's an indicator. Yeah, that's an indicator for it's a specific monster. Sometimes they'll be missing the head or have like a little hole in the chest or something. There's always something to indicate how they died, which will also point towards which monster it is. Well, good luck, Jamie.
You mean good luck?
All right. But we can't really check the logs and see what
my
kind of monsters
gosh.
there are available before we turn on the power.
I'm lost, and I kind of lost you guys.
Don't worry, Jamie. As soon as I click this button, you'll be hunted.
Oh, perfect. Oh, look at that.
Yeah. Now, this big thing here will show you the different monsters. All right. We got one here that breaks the necks, which is not what we have. Shoots, nope. Decapitates, nope. Devours the faces of its victims. Now that is one. It could be. Sucks brains out, devours faces again. There's two.
Oh, so it's
So we
either
got
seven
number 7 and number 9.
7 and 9.
The first one is only attacks if looked at, moves silently. Now this one did not move silently. We heard footsteps. So it might be number 9.
Corrupted robot. Devours the faces, very aggressive, easily gives up pursuit. Okay,
Yeah.
sounds like
That
It's most
sounds like
likely number
Jamie.
9.
Are we sure
I
Jamie's
was
not the
about to
monster?
say
Guys, it's most likely number 9. We heard footsteps. Number 7 is the only other one that eats faces, but that one moves silently.
Oh, okay, yeah, we heard it for sure. So yeah,
Yeah.
that's the
So
other
it's
one.
most likely number 9 with very aggressive, easily gives up on up pursuit.
Oh, we need that black box. Did we get the black
Yeah.
box? I see it.
We gotta get that one, yeah. So we
Dude, over
gotta
here
get
blinking.
towards the black, yeah. We gotta get all the way back there. Now there's only
Oops.
really one way to get down there.
Well, we're gonna have
Oh
to
wait,
go the
actually,
same way we're
maybe not.
going.
Hang on, let's see.
We're gonna have to go back down
We're gonna have to go to the
this way,
Well,
Jeeves.
we get. Oh, it just
Oh man, we're
ran.
gonna have to not talk as much. Ammo.
This
Yeah.
right here is a respawn capsule. Once you press it, it unlocks for one person and one person only. So when you die, you can respawn. But we have a limited number together.
Oh, so if you die, you're gonna respawn now because you touched it.
Yeah, but you will not. So we gotta find one for you as well. Same goes for you, Jamie.
it's I found $20.
Nice.
There's one over there.
Oh, where?
Right there, to your
This
right.
one? The emergency box?
To your right.
Oh, just kidding. This one. Okay, cool. Now if Jamie dies, it's all good.
Yeah. If you hold down tab, you can also see where players are.
I love when you open up your little menu thing, it blurs out what you're looking at, except, and then when you let go of it, it comes back. Such a
Yeah.
cool little feature.
This is the panic room. If we go in here and press this little button here, up here. Now we're safe.
Oh. Can we just stay in here and let Jamie go and get the black box?
I mean, that would be a great, an easy way to deal with it. But let's go in here first. So
Guys, I found another $10.
I love how Jamie just absolutely left the entire group and was like, "I'll go on an adventure on my own."
Oh, there's another pot. Oh, he already found one.
Yeah.
Okay, we're headed the right way. Black
But
box
you guys
is
just
up
run
ahead.
by any.
To get to the thing, we gotta activate this thing. So we gotta go to the pipes and start number 1, 3, 5, and 8 on the first one.
Oh my gosh. Hello.
Yeah. So if you
Oh,
follow me,
it's bright
we can
as hell.
go
I can't even see. Oh,
1, 3, 5, and 8. So we gotta go this way.
3, 5, and 8.
Yeah. Of the blue pipes.
Legends, thank you so much for being here. Appreciate every single one of your lovely, beautiful eye holes, or whatever holes you decided to bring today. We know you had a lot of places you could have taken your holes, but you brought your holes here. Thank you so much. Now come a little closer. Let me lick them.
Wait, this is not. Oh, this is the red ones. So this is not it. This is the red pipes. So we gotta find the blue pipes.
You and your pipes. You're up to. Oh, it should be in here somewhere. Ah!
We need.
Oh god! Ah!
Yes, you found the ones.
Ah! The monster found me!
Right, got one. Now we just need number
It's
5.
going into a room if you found it.
No.
Is it loud? Is it farting?
It's fine.
Ah! Oh god, I don't know where I'm going! Ah! It's right behind
I
me.
mean, the good news is that I don't have to worry about the monster.
Don't go that way.
Since I have to cloud it.
Oh, you also have stamina.
Oh,
Oh,
Yep.
run, Cloud, run.
Guys, I'm getting rich. I'm finding money all over the place.
Guys, I found some ammo over here. Who needs some ammo?
5.
Oh, found it? Let's
Found
go.
Right, now we just need the red pipes.
Oh my goodness, okay. Which is, wasn't it down inside this room?
Yeah. Oh, wait, no, it's down the other way where we almost went. 1, 3, 6, and 8. Oh, should run!
Ah! Ah! Oh god! I'm coming. I'm coming.
What were the numbers?
Shh.
It's coming, Jamie.
I'm nowhere near you guys.
Okay, it gave up a shoot.
Was one of the numbers 8 2?
I forgot what
We've already done the blue ones. We finished them. You just gotta not touch them, and then you've done your job perfectly.
I thought we were doing the red ones now.
Gotta not touch
Yeah.
them.
We are. It's
Um,
1, 3, 6, and 8.
Right, I just got number 8.
Great, now we just need 1, 3, and 6 down there.
Where did you go to?
Back to the other room where we
Oh,
saw
okay.
the monster jump down.
Got 3.
Right, 1 and 6. It's the only ones left. I know it feels disgusting that we have to touch 6, but
Got
you know.
1.
Okay, so just found it. Right, now we just gotta go up.
Really feels like Alien. It's just such a.
Run!
Oh, shit!
It's right behind me.
Don't worry, you'll be the perfect bait.
I'm surviving.
Oh, snap! Oh, dang! I tried to shoot it.
Yeah, it's movies.
Oh, it is.
Oh.
Dang it! I died. I'm respawning.
So did I.
All right, I'm back at the shuttle bay.
The only way to hurt. Fuck. Okay, the only way to hurt it is one way, and that one way is by shooting it with an electric gun so it opens its face. After that, you'll be able to shoot its face and harm it.
An electric gun. To
But we
shoot
don't
its
have that
face.
electric gun, so. I picked up whoever shotgun it was. I got it for them.
Nice.
It was a clown. It's...
Also, if you see another respawn capsule that is closer, you can, click that one.
Always switch.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I've also dropped the shotgun at where we gotta go.
Somebody's right over it.
I mean, it says your name over it, so.
No, I mean, I saw somebody on the map. Go spy me.
Oh, if you hold down tab, you can see where everyone is, like at a distance.
Oh, hello.
Who's this way?
Oh, we're going the wrong way. This game's kind of crazy. It's called Species Unknown, just came out, and the monster, as it's stalking you, the alien, can hear you as you're talking. So I apologize if I sound really quiet. Ah! Oh, get in this thing. Isn't this it?
You mean the panic room?
Sorry guys, you're all screwed.
It's just me out here.
I panicked. Okay, come on, get in the panic room quickly. I unlocked it.
I'll just wait for you guys back.
Oh! Oh my God! Why did you bring it in the panic room?
By the way, if it's inside the panic room, if you close it down, it'll automatically open back up because it detects that there's a threat inside.
Yes. Yes, it did.
You
Run.
got out.
I'm guessing that I'm just gonna have to locate the black box.
Oh, hello.
I'm just gonna go do
Don't go
that.
that way. Don't go that way. Come on. This way.
You're gonna be killed.
Oh, this is our ship. How did we make it back to the ship?
Oh, it is.
Shit, it's right there.
We could just let two do it.
Can it come on our ship? Oh God!
Yes.
Oh fuck!
Close the door.
Ah! Woo! Need to lead it out. Lead it out. Okay, it's in our ship, but I left the ship. Oh, it's coming back. It's coming back. Okay, it's coming out of the ship.
I'm getting the black box.
Oh my goodness. Where's the freaking... where's the panic room?
Where it was before.
I know. I just can't run to it. Running out of stamina. Oh, there it is. There it is.
Alright guys, I'm getting the thing. Oh.
I think you just killed me.
Dang. All good, bro. Just came home from work. Nice. Welcome home. Welcome home, good Sam. Oh.
I can only say that the funniest thing about this is most likely that this is the easiest easiest difficulty.
I know you said that, and I'm thinking to myself, oh my God, it's gonna be even worse. Return back to the black box. Oh my gosh, okay. Command deck. Shuttle bay. It's this way, it's this way.
Don't worry guys, I got the thing.
Wait, who's this?
The monster's that way, the monster's that way.
Okay, the monster's close to our ship. And there's this panic room. Oh shit. Okay, let's use the panic room. Get in. There it is! Get in! Oh, it won't let me do it! I just hit the button, it wouldn't let me close the door!
Was it the big wait, oh wait, there's only one panic room, you know that, right?
Yeah, I was in it. We were in it.
Unless we only get one use.
Yeah, I don't know what happened.
Wait a second. Is it still behind me? Oh my
No, it's
goodness.
after me.
Oh, okay, guys. I don't even know if I'm going the right... Oh, I am. Okay, good. I found our ship. Jamie, are you lost? Nope, he's right by me.
No, I followed your purple Power Ranger suit looking ass to the ship.
I am the Purple Ranger.
I don't know what color I am.
2 of 3. Oh, so he has to get in here for this door to
Ow,
close?
fuck me.
Oh no. Oh no.
That doesn't sound good.
I know, he's just like, we need to find 2.
Don't worry, I'm coming.
Oh, okay, get back on the ship. Jamie, get your ass over here. Don't go too far if he's coming. He's pulling it out.
A prayer.
he's pulling it out. All right, I'm on the activate the door. So the second you like run in, just gonna hit the button.
Yeah, this guy's hungry for my buns. I know I'm a baker, but they can't be that good, right?
He wants your sugar, your sweet, sweet sugar. He's like, 2, get over here. You just hear the noise in the background. He's like, oh God, he's close by.
Give me your croissants.
Oh, oui, oui. Mr. Lavender, I need your
I want
croissants.
them chocolate cakes.
Where are you at? Get your butt over here.
I'm here.
Oh, you're in?
Wait, what's this? Nope.
Oh, I see you. Just get out of that room.
But-
Oh, he's like,
but
I gotta grab
there
this.
was
I
money.
just saw you grab the box. You just picked the box up.
Get ready.
and you're-
Get ready.
I'm
Get
going.
ready. Close.
Yes! Oh my gosh, that was perfect timing. Right as I look at the doors closed, he was right on the other side of it.
All right,
Get the
guys,
hell outta
let's
here.
leave.
Quickly run. Get out
So
of the
what
ship.
about our new friend?
All right, take your seats as soon as we're allowed, and then
we are.
we are out of here. Let's see our missions. What? How much money did we each earn?
Wow.
Oh, I got 1,000 buckaroos.
Minus 100
I
because I
didn't
died.
get any deductions.
I
I also got another $100 for finding an unknown disc.
only got 700.
Because you died 3 times. Oh yeah, wanna know a cool feature, Clouded?
What?
Once you validate your payment, you can actually tip your teammates with like a percentage.
Oh,
Or at
wow.
least the ones that I believe it's only if they died and weren't allowed and didn't come on the ship with
Oh,
you.
here comes
So-
the warp speed. Everybody hold on to your butts. Ah!
Hold the cheeks! Hold the cheeks!
Oh, that is so epic. That is so cool. People in the neighborhood probably hearing me screaming. They're like, what's going on? You're like,
What's he
Jehovah's Witness
doing
in the
at
neighborhood.
fucking 5
Oh,
in the
God.
morning?
Don't answer the door. Avon calling. Open your door. Oh, I love that landing. It's just straight through the door. We're gonna die. I'm gonna wreck it. Welcome back, Survivor. Oh, we got a bounty bonus. Our bonus bounty? What is this? Unlocked handgun? New
Congratulations!
contract.
For the first mission, the corporation has promoted you to the rank of mercenary. Here is your payment. You are now authorized to carry a weapon and access more lucrative contracts. Plenty of new missions await you, so gather your team and get to work.
Nice.
Now, before anyone leaves the ship, I would like to show you something.
Yes.
If you guys go into one of these 4 rooms that are, and click on the personnel board, then you can go to upgrades, equipment, and shop and other things. Some of them are a little expensive, but you know, some others are also less expensive.
Oh, damage reduction. Cool.
Yeah, it's just 5,000.
Oh, a better mini map?
Yep, the mini map. You can upgrade the mini map, and if you go to shop, you can see that there's 4 different items. In there, you can Like they do each do their own thing, but you can only bring one of those with you. So for an example, I brought the healing injector this time. I couldn't bring the mini-map then.
Interesting. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, but that's what I look like? No wonder you said Purple Ranger. You look very enthused. My character looks great. Ooh. Own little personal boards.
Yeah.
That was really fun.
It is.
Here, we can leave the ship.
Yeah, now we can leave the ship again and go to our mission board and pick a new one.